Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Travel with Sadia and Anwar, and today I'm going to make a very simple recipe. I don't really have much time for making a cake right now, so I was thinking I need something really quick. So in today's video, I want to share with you a very quick recipe which you can make anytime. I found this 1-minute mug cake recipe which I think really fantastic for so many of us who need instant chocolate cakes. Baking cakes may be easy for so many of you, but it actually takes quite a lot of effort and also time. Having a little baby, you don't always have a lot of time for cooking and baking, so I need something really quick. I love cakes, especially chocolate cakes. I love any kind of cake, so I often make this 1-minute mug cake which is super simple, super easy, but best in this whole world. So I'm grabbing my favorite mug today and I'm going to make my chocolate mug cake here. So before we start making this cake today, please hit the subscribe button. So now let's go and bake the cake.